Okay, good day. I am from Globalized Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive verify data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
I can, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am. 100%.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am. I'm agree.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I'm healthy, ma'am. No issue.
Okay, can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Okay, ma'am. I'm Marie Chris Santos, 37 years old, from Laok, First Malolos, Bulacan. I have
And you,
one 16 years old, and I'm 16 years married.
okay, I need to know some few more details from you. You are married. What is your
Yes.
husband occupation and how old is he?
My husband occupation is maintenance electrician of a one mall, and he is 37 years old.
Oh, so what happened? Why you decided to come and work here as a domestic helper?
Um, because excuse me, ma'am. Because his salary, ma'am, is not enough for us.
But you got one child only, is still not enough.
Because he is now grade 11, and I want to prepare for his coming for her college level, ma'am.
Okay, so when is your birthday?
My birthday is December 4, 1987.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 5 feet and I am 44 kilograms.
44. Are you sure that you are 44?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your religion?
My religion is Catholic, ma'am.
You can lift heavy things.
Sorry, ma'am?
You can lift heavy things because you are 44 kg.
Yes, ma'am, I can.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am, I will do my best.
What is your educational background?
I am a fourth year high school graduate, ma'am.
Okay, so is your husband allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am, we talked about it.
This is your first time working abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
How many brother and sister do you have?
I have uh, three sister and two brother, but my one brother has passed away already.
What is your rank in your family?
I am from fifth, all of them.
Sorry?
I am fifth, ma'am, member.
You're the youngest.
No, ma'am,
Fifth.
there was.
Okay. So what about your parents? How old is your parents and what is their occupation?
My mother is already 78 years old, and my father was passed away already, ma'am.
Okay. So do you have any working experience as a housemaid in the Philippines?
Yes, ma'am, I'm already work here in the Philippines on August 10, 2021 till August 20, 2023. And I am finished contract, ma'am.
So you worked there for 2 years to your previous employment, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
In which place in the Philippines?
I'm also from Bulacan.
Bulacan. Can you share it with me? What are your duties to your previous employment in Bulacan?
Um, my work, ma'am. Um,
Yes.
I do household like cleaning house, washing dishes, washing clothes, ironing, and sometimes I cook Filipino dish, simple Filipino dish.
Okay. So you do house chores only? Did you take your children or any elderly there?
I They have two child that I take care.
How old?
They are 12 and 7 years old.
Okay. So how many total family members inside the house?
They are 4 members.
4 family members.
Yes, ma'am.
You know that being a domestic helper is very tough, right?
Yes, ma'am.
It is not that so easy job, you know? So are you really ready to come and work here as a domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am. I'm
You will going to
ready.
sign a 2 years contract.
Yes, ma'am.
It is not 2 days, it's not 2 weeks, it's not 2 months, and definitely it's not 1 year. Any
Yes, ma'am.
uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Breaching of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency, as nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am. I'm ready.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am. I will.
Can you take your elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
No, ma'am.
It's okay, no problem, as long as you say yes or no only, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care pets? Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
I can, ma'am, but only cat because I have 1 cat in our home.
So are you afraid of dogs?
Big dogs only, ma'am.
But small dogs, friendly dog, are you okay?
Yes, I can, ma'am.
Okay. So how will you gonna handle your homesickness later, knowing that this is your first time working abroad and you will be working quite far away from your family?
For me, ma'am, first I will pray. Then I will enjoy what my work, and I will do busy myself in working. So that's why I'm gonna make myself be homesick.
Okay, so are you aware that in usage of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone during working time?
Yes, ma'am.
You can hold it during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay inside the employer's house only, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with the rules and regulations?
Ma'am, that's okay.
If it's either you agree, then you can come. If you disagree, you better stay in the Philippines because we don't want to have such a problem later. We wanted to be specific in our initial interview. It's either you agree, then we don't have any problem. You don't demand us about all these things once you come to work here in Malaysia. Don't ask permission to the employer that, ma'am, I wanted to go out during my rest day. No such a thing. Because in the first place, we were going to stick with our rules and regulations, that no go out policy. Okay?
Yes, ma'am, I understand.
Okay, so always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad. You wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for your kid, right?
Yes,
Most
ma'am.
especially that he will going to study in college already. In
Yes, ma'am.
Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. You need to follow the rules and regulations. You need to respect the employer, their culture also, and at the same time. If you have any problems or any concerns inside the house, you inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years and it's not us. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what will you do if the employer keep on like he get angry with you, she get angry with you, but you didn't do anything wrong? What will you do?
I will keep silent only, ma'am. I will
You will
accept
not
what.
you will not answering them back or what?
Yes, ma'am. I will not
You will
answering them back.
Okay. So you need to respect the employer because this is
Yes,
Malaysia. This is not the Philippines, okay? We need to humble ourselves. We need to show what we've got because we are Filipinos, okay? I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time, Mary Chris. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay? Thank you so much and have a good day.
Thank you, ma'am.